If you're seeing an itch.io internal server error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes you can try right now to get the site loading again. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solutions first, and by the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot the error safely and efficiently. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, refresh the page. Sometimes an internal server error is only temporary, and a simple reload is enough to fix it. If the error still appears, wait a few minutes and try again. Itch.io servers may be under temporary load, and the issue can clear up on its own. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can sometimes cause loading problems or conflict with the current version of the website. After clearing the cache and cookies, close your browser completely and reopen itch.io to test it again. If that doesn't work, try a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, switch to Firefox, Edge, or another browser and see whether the issue continues. This helps you determine whether the error is coming from your browser settings or from the site itself. You should also check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause pages to fail while loading and make it look like the site is broken. Try opening another website or reconnect to your Wi-Fi if needed. Another important step is to turn off your VPN if you're using one. Some websites can block or limit traffic from VPN servers, and that can trigger loading errors or access issues. After disabling the VPN, refresh itch.io and see if the page loads normally. If the problem still happens, log out of your itch.io account and then log back in again. This can refresh your session and fix account-related loading problems. Once you sign back in, try opening the page again. And finally, if none of the steps work, try again later. Sometimes the issue is on itch.io side, and there's nothing wrong with your device or browser. Waiting a little while often resolves the problem automatically. So to recap, the best fixes are refresh the page, wait and try again, clear cache and cookies, use a different browser, check your internet connection, turn off VPN, log out and log back in, and come back later if needed. If this tutorial helped you fix the itch.io internal server error, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and it tells me to keep making fast, easy troubleshooting guides for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.